Welcome to the future of business reception. Meet Minnie, our smart reception robot from Prospero Dynamics, designed to revolutionize the way businesses greet and manage their visitors.
Hello, Minnie.
Welcome. I am Minnie, your assistant robot. How can I help you with appointments?
Book an appointment.
I'd be happy to book an appointment for you. Can you please tell me your name?
My name is Raj.
Hi, Raj. I have the following available time slots for an appointment with Sanjay, the founder of Whiter Edge Technologies Private Limited, 10 a.m., 12 p.m., 2 p.m., 4 p.m., and 6 p.m. Which time slot would you prefer?
2 p.m.
I've booked an appointment for you with Sanjay at 2 p.m. Please arrive at our office 15 minutes prior to the scheduled time. Would you like a cup of coffee, tea, or water during your appointment?
A coffee should be good.
I'll let my colleague know to bring you a cup of coffee during your appointment. Are you interested in getting a tour of our office as well during your appointment?
Yes, please.
Please follow me. How would you rate my reception services?
Excellent.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Minnie offers a seamless, efficient, and engaging experience for every guest. From greeting visitors to confirming appointments, Minnie ensures a smooth interaction from start to finish. By providing consistent and accurate service, the Minnie robot leaves a lasting impression on visitors, enhancing your company's reputation for innovation and hospitality. Discover how Prospero Dynamics is transforming the business landscape with intelligent robotics. Join us in embracing the future, and let's create a better, more efficient tomorrow together.